Hello everyone, welcome you all. In today's section, we are going to study about carboxylic acid. In that, method of preparation of carboxylic acid and various type of reaction of carboxylic acid. In that, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond, reactions involving the cleavage of COH bond, reactions involving the cleavage of COOH bond, and substitution reaction, in that halogenation reaction and ring substitution. Let's first see the method of preparation of carboxylic acid and the first method of preparation from primary alcohols. Primary alcohols are the RCH2OH are readily oxidized to carboxylic acid with common oxidizing agent such as potassium permanganate in neutral, acidic or alkaline media or by potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 and chromic trioxide in acidic medium. The chromic trioxide in acidic medium is a Jones reagent. The next method of preparation from alkyl benzene. Aromatic carboxylic acid can be prepared by the vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzene with chromic acid or acidic or alkaline potassium permanganate. The entire side chain is oxidized to the carboxyl group irrespective of length of side chain. Primary and secondary alkyl group are oxidized in this manner while tertiary group is not affected. The next method of preparation from acid chloride. Acid chloride, when hydrolyzed with water, it gives carboxylic acid. Let's see this reaction. When acid chloride hydrolyzed with water, it gives the carboxylic acid, and when hydrolyzed with aqueous base to give carboxylate ions which on acidification provide the corresponding carboxylic acid. The next method of preparation from anhydride. Anhydride are hydrolyzed to corresponding acid with water. Let's see this reaction. When benzoic anhydride on hydrolysis, it gives benzoic acid. The next example, benzoic ethanoic anhydride on hydrolysis, it gives benzoic acid and ethanoic acid. The next method of preparation from ester. Acidic hydrolysis of ester gives directly carboxylic acid while basic hydrolysis gives carboxylates which on acidification gives corresponding carboxylic acid. Let's see this reaction. The first reaction is acidic hydrolysis. When ethyl benzoate on acidic hydrolysis, it gives benzoic acid and alcohol. The next reaction is basic hydrolysis. When ethyl butanoate on basic hydrolysis, it gives carboxylates which on acidification it gives acid, that is butanoic acid and alcohol. The next method of preparation from Grignard reagent. You know the Grignard reagent is RMGX. When Grignard reagent RMGX react with carbon dioxide to form salt of carboxylic acid, further on acidification with mineral acid to give corresponding carboxylic acid. The next method of preparation from nitriles and amides. Nitriles are hydrolyzed to the amide and then to the acid. Let's see this reaction. When nitriles on hydrolysis to give amide and on further heating it gives acid. When ethanamide on hydrolysis and on heating it gives ethanoic acid. When benzamide on hydrolysis and on heating it gives benzoic acid. The next type of reactions, in that reactions involving the cleavage of OH bond. Reaction with metals and alkalis. In that first reaction is when carboxylic acid reacts with metal, sodium metal, it gives sodium carboxylate and the cleavage of OH bond. The next reaction with carboxylic acid with sodium hydroxide to form sodium carboxylate. When carboxylic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate to form sodium carboxylate, water and carbon dioxide and the cleavage of OH bond. The next reaction is carboxylic acid dissociated in water to give resonance stabilized carboxylate anions and hydronium ion. Let's see this reaction. When carboxylic acid with water, it gives hydronium ion and resonance stabilized carboxylate anions. Then next type of reaction, in that reactions involving cleavage of COH bond. In that the first reaction is formation of anhydride. When carboxylic acid on heating with mineral acid to give corresponding anhydride. Let's see this reaction. When ethanoic acid on heating, it gives ethanoic anhydride. Then next reaction is esterification reaction. When carboxylic acid are esterified with alcohols in the presence of mineral acid such as concentrated sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid gas as a catalyst and to give ester. Let's see the mechanism of acid catalyzed esterification of carboxylic acid. The esterification of carboxylic acid with alcohol is a kind of nucleophilic acyl substitution reaction. Protonation of carbonyl oxygen activates the carbonyl group towards the nucleophilic addition of the alcohol. Proton transfer in the tetrahedral intermediate and converts the hydroxyl group in OH2 group, which being a better leaving group and is eliminated as neutral water molecule. The protonated ester so formed finally loses the proton to give ester. Let's see the mechanism. The first type of mechanism, in that protonation of carbonyl oxygen of the carboxylic acid and formation of protonated carboxylic acid. In second step, we take protonated carboxylic acid and alcohol. Nucleophilic attack of alcohol to the activated carbonyl and proton transfer. In step third, the loss of water to give conjugated acid of ester and regeneration of acid catalyst. Then next reaction, the reactions with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride. Let's see the first reaction, reaction with carboxylic acid with phosphorus pentachloride. When carboxylic acid react with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives the acid chloride. When carboxylic acid reacts with phosphorus trichloride, it gives acid chloride. When carboxylic acid reacts with thionyl chloride, it also gives acid chloride. Means when carboxylic acid reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride, it gives the same main product, and the main product is the acid chloride, but the byproduct is different one. When carboxylic acid reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives byproduct phosphoryl chloride. When carboxylic acid reacts with phosphorus trichloride, it gives byproduct is phosphorus acid, and the byproduct phosphorus acid and the phosphoryl chloride is in liquid form. The reaction with thionyl chloride with carboxylic acid, it gives the byproduct in the gaseous form. So this one is the best method of preparation of acid chloride. Then next reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. 3,5-dinitrobenzoic acid when reacts with phosphorus pentachloride to form 3,5-dinitrobenzoyl chloride. Then next reaction with ammonia. Carboxylic acid react with ammonia to give ammonium salt, which on further heating at high temperature it gives amides. In that, let's see the first reaction. When acetic acid reacts with ammonia to form ammonium acetate, and on further heating it gives acetamide. Then next reaction, when benzoic acid reacts with ammonia to form ammonium benzoate, and on further heating it gives benzamide. When phthalic acid reacts with ammonia, it gives ammonium phthalate, and on further heating it gives phthalimide, and phthalimide on strongly heating, then removal of ammonia and formation of phthalimide. Then next type of reaction of carboxylic acid with strong base. When carboxylic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form carboxylate salt, when bases such as metal hydroxide, that is sodium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide and amines abstract the acidic proton on carboxylic acid to form carboxylate salt. Let's see the mechanism. When carboxylic acid reacts with the base, that is sodium hydroxide, when this base abstracts this hydrogen and formation of carboxylate salt. Let's see the example of benzoic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium benzoate. Reaction of benzoic acid with sodium bicarbonate to form sodium benzoate. Then next type of reactions, in that reactions involving the cleavage of COOH bond. In that first reaction is reduction reaction. In that carboxylic acid are reduced to the primary alcohol by lithium aluminum hydride or with diborane. Diborane does not easily reduce the functional group such as ester, nitro, halo, etc. Sodium borohydride does not reduces the carboxyl group. Then next reaction is decarboxylation reaction. In decarboxylation reaction, the carboxylic acid lose the carbon dioxide to form hydrocarbon when their sodium salt are heated with soda lime, and this reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. Alkali metal salt of carboxylic acid also undergoes decarboxylation on electrolysis of their aqueous solution and form hydrocarbons having twice the number of carbon atom present in the alkyl group of the acid. The reaction is known as Kolbe's electrolysis. Then next reaction is substitution reaction. In substitution reaction, let's first see the halogenation reaction. Carboxylic acid also having an alpha hydrogen and are halogenated at alpha position on the treatment with chlorine or bromine in the presence of small amount of red phosphorus to give alpha halocarboxylic acid, and this reaction is known as Hale-Wohlard-Zielinski reaction. Then next reaction is ring substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction, actually the reaction is performed on benzene ring. Benzene ring is electron rich, but on this benzene ring the presence of COOH group, and this group shows the minus R. It shows the negative resonating effect and negative mesomeric effect. Basically this group deactivate the ring. Aromatic carboxylic acid undergoes the electrophilic substitution reaction in which the carboxyl group acts as deactivating and meta-directing group. Let's see the first reaction, that is the nitration reaction. In the presence of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid, this combination gives the electrophile, that is nitronium ion, and formation of meta-nitrobenzoic acid. And then next reaction is bromination. It gives meta-bromobenzoic acid. They do not undergo the Friedel-Crafts reaction because carboxyl group is deactivating and catalyst aluminum chloride, that is Lewis acid, get bonded to carboxylic group rather than the ring. Then next point is the uses of carboxylic acid. Methanoic acid is used in rubber, textile, dyeing, leather and electroplating industries. Ethanoic acid is used as solvent and as vinegar in food industry. Hexandoic acid is used in the manufacturing of nylon 6,6. Ester of benzoic acid are used in perfumery, Sodium benzoate is used as food preservatives. Higher fatty acids are used in the manufacture of soap and detergents. So, we are in this section, we studied about the method of preparation of carboxylic acid and various type of reactions of carboxylic acid and uses of carboxylic acid. Thank you so much for watching this video.